Growing up in Córdoba, we saw how forest fires and floods devastated our communities, the streets we walk, and the families we know. Every year, thousands of people face these events that can change their life in a matter of hours.
But the alerts that exist today are too general. They don't reflect the real risk in your area.
This is why we developed MultiRisk, aligned with SDGs 11, 13, and 3, because a city cannot be sustainable and cannot protect people's health if it can anticipate its own climate risk. Apps like AccuWeather give you raw data without context, and specialized tools like Pejel Alarm are impossible to understand without technical training. MultiRisk is an app that transforms the complexity of weather data into clear, actionable guidance, notifying, guiding, and empowering people to make informed decisions before it's too late.
The main problem is the gap between the complex meteorological data and community participation. Main screen uses two independent artificial intelligence models to process the data from citizen science weather stations, the closest and more up-to-date to the user, calculating the hyperlocal risk in useful time and estimating an average vulnerability. And with a tap on the screen, the users can access a clear explanation of how AI calculated their risk levels. It also shows the local meteorological data and a forecast for the next 2 days. In addition, Suqui informs from which weather station the data is obtained.
MultiRisk notifies, guides, and empowers users to act in time.
People often don't realize how vulnerable they actually are. Suqui provides recommendations, safety tips, and useful information about fires, floods, and other similar situations. From this screen, people can also access a game where by answering questions in 60 seconds, they can see if the risk level might be higher than estimated.
We inform the community and provide them with tips to make decisions before it's too late. We designed MultiRisk to be usable by entire communities.
In the settings screen, users have the opportunity to customize the app, change the language, toggle dark mode, enable notifications, and set emergency contact buttons with local numbers. There's also a step-by-step tutorial where Suqui walks you through the app and its functionalities, and a disclaimer so users can understand the limitations and scopes.
Who advises to assume a medium vulnerability baseline in our model, balancing technical rigor with social impact.
He emphasized the impacts of making this data visible and also proposed integrating MultiRisk into the municipal schools.
An innovation expert highlighted that the value of our solution lies not on the raw data but in the processed risk intelligence.
But the most important validators are the users. MultiRisk already have 50 active users and 120 followers on Instagram.
MultiRisk is a for-profit social enterprise designed to be financially scalable.
Our first revenue stream is a B2C model. We offer municipalities an institutional dashboard for monitoring their weather stations.
To expand without high upfront costs, we use a crowdfunding model where citizens can adopt a station in their community.
Our most profitable model is data intelligence, seeing geolocated estimates to insurance companies and the agricultural sector.
And to ensure our impact, we reinvest 60% of our net profits directly into expanding our station network and running climate education workshops in communities that need it the most.
Because when the right information arrives at the right time, we have a real opportunity to change the course of history.
MultiRisk not only protects people, but we're also raising climate awareness. The app is available now on the Google Play Store. Download it today and take the first step to protect your community.